get me in cinematic. You gonna want this shit in cinematic because your ass don't fucking listen. So you gonna need to watch this on video. Get this shit in cinematic. You don't do shit because your ass stand around and do.
This bumper's going on tonight.
This the whole fucking time. Get the fucking word.
We in the house.
Alright guys, welcome back to another video to the Ghost Flash channel. As you guys can see, we have the BMW behind us, Whitley being the pilot of it on the lift currently. Mo is hiding behind me.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Because tell him Mo what we were doing today on the BMW. We have the second install or second video?
Oh, it is the second video.
Second video, second install.
So,
oh, you want to answer even though I kind of just
wait, time out. Alright, cut.
We're gonna get caught.
Alright, we back. Okay, so anyways, flew down to San Jose, not really flew.
Stand over there, bro. We gotta get a better lighting. We're looking dark as hell.
Alright, drove down to San Jose, picked up this bad boy. It's a little more scuffed up than I thought. Picked it up for $200. It came with all the trims. I'm missing all of these currently on my bumper, so it's gonna look pretty.
You didn't tell me what it is, bruh.
Oh, it's if you
it's a bumper. It's a bumper.
It is a bumper. Yeah, it is an M3 bumper, and it's actually the color of my car, thankfully. So let's run it up.
Okay, we ain't got a grill, but the sad thing is it came with no hardware to assemble it, so we gotta do that here.
It's good for it to stay cold. What is going on right now? See, I don't want a time lapse of me figuring this out because I feel like a dumbass right now. That part is okay. Terrible. Y'all didn't see that. Oh my god. Alright, it's a little more clapped than we thought, gang. It's a little more clapped. It's gonna need some work.
So it looks like that this grill has 0 mounting points because it's supposed to be plastic welded on. The guy had already attempted to do it prior, so I'm either gonna attempt to do the same thing, or the bumper has pegs in like a few spots, but in other spots it doesn't have it. So in the spots that it does have it, it pokes through these holes. So I'm either gonna try to plastic weld it with a solder, or I'll use the Q-bond and we'll try to just hold it with the peg in between, fill the hole with the Q-bond, and try to make like a permanent like attachment with it. And then as far as mounting the bumper, we found out that we have this piece on this side, and we are lacking that piece on this side. So once we get the grill squared away, we're gonna take off his bumper, transfer the fog lights, and then we're gonna see what we can do about this piece. If we can take it off that bumper and make it work on this bumper.
Yeah, I'm gonna start taking off shit over here.
He's like, well, on that note, Whitley is in the car doing Whitley things.
I need the quarter set.
He needs the tool cart. Take the service cart. Go and take it over there.
Oh my goodness.
New ad to the garage service cart. Also, rest in peace. We'll come to that in a later video. So update, we got the new bumper over here on this stand. While we're working on this bumper, I got the, whatever you want to call this, removed, the rebar, bumper support, whatever you want to call it, got that removed. Had to break all the clips out because they've been there for years. So as you can see, they came out in pieces. Mo's trying to figure out how these fog lights come out so we can transfer those to the new bumper as well.
We installed these too, crazy enough, and these are hard as fuck to take out.
And then we gotta figure out this situation with these things.
I was gonna cry.
Well, update. I figured out how the fog lights come out. And that's how they come out. So that's a thing.
Yeah! Hey, these ones would have fit.
Oh, that makes it better. That makes it better. You hear that, ladies and gentlemen? We made a party foul.
I have to let her know just to see if there's some type of like warranty maybe. It says there's a year warranty on all of them.
His girl got them for him as a present. And this is how I treated them.
Hey! Send me the fucking extendo! So I can plug this bitch
I could've just plugged it into the wall, bro.
Just send me the extendo. I don't want to unravel it, you dodo head. Work smarter, not harder. God. You're a dodo head.
Yeah?
That's what I said.
2 seconds in, you clogged it. Look at that. You broke it.
I didn't break shit.
And you dropped your phone.
Bitch.
Well, since I broke your fog lights, we can't send you off like that.
What do we got? Oh wow.
Some mesh.
Some mesh.
So we can cover it. So that way at least it looks complete.
I'm with that. Hell yeah. Clutch. Something.
Something. Better than nothing. Valve cover?
Beauty cover.
Beauty cover. My fault.
I'm so scared, dude. Holding it, I'm scared, bro. Should we fill them in about what happened?
Yeah, you should probably go stand in the light so you look less black.
Alright. I've been unlocked. Alright. So, this is take 3 of the fog lights. First round.
Wait, I just realized. I'll let you explain.
They were yellow when we first started recording, yeah. So those ones, your boy Ghost Flash 5 destroyed them. He dropped them on the ground. Just like this, actually. We had the bumper set up exactly like this, except none of that was under it. So that's all trash. We kind of just dropped it in, and the thing just boop, and dropped straight through and smacked the ground and shattered. So that happened once.
That happened once with the original ones.
And then
that were white.
Yeah, let me get back to it. So
I broke his original fog lights that were white.
No, they were yellow. The originals were yellow, yes. And then I bought a white set.
They were
and then
yellow,
I bought some clears, and the second we were about to install them, the same thing happened and I broke them this time. And now it's take 3.
Yeah, so he did the exact same thing I did. We put it through the bumper because that's how they go. They go into the bumper and that little thing goes on the back, so I had to hold it. We found that out after the fact. That's how I broke the first set.
It goes in and it's just poop.
Yeah, and
like a Tom and Jerry ass fall, bro.
So then he tried it the second time, and then he did the same thing I did.
So this time we're getting fog lights. Here we go.
Hence why we have this crazy contraption.
Pray. Here we go.
Those first fog lights too.
Yeah.
Oh, she did. She bought the first set and I broke them.
Yeah. Wasn't my fault.
Yikes!
All is forgiven.
All is forgiven because now we are here on the 3rd set. Explain yourself.
Welcome to Ghost Flash Garage, where there's freaking silicone on the ground, like pieces of gum. You step in it, your foot gets stuck to the ground. A little better now, but look at that wad right there. That's blocking out some water.
That's blocking out.
We survived.
Oh.
Has the channel seen the M3 bumper?
No.
They haven't seen it on the car yet. Oh, it's still recording. Nice.
So, like we were telling you guys, driver's side, we used 2 J clips and then 2 7mm screws. And then on the opposite side, as you can see, there was no place to mount it, so we used 2 zip ties. You can really see the flashlight actually.
Oh, wait.
Dead flashlight! That's crazy. That thing was dead. Yeah, as you can see, there was nothing to mount it to. So we made our own mounts.
Allegedly.
Let's go ahead and get this thing propped up and see what it looks like, brother.
She's heavy.
I'm gonna hold it.
Steel.
You get the front view. Scared myself a little bit. I should look with the clears.
Okay, now. There you go.
I feel like we got some like drop space back now. You need help? That bumper is hella crooked, bro.
Yeah, lift up the other side. Or I just need to lift up evenly. Let me pull off this side. That metal support's super heavier than I thought. There we go.
Oh, make sure it slides in on the thing because you didn't do that last time and you said ship it. Oh no, it's on your side.
Yeah.
Make sure it slides in so you don't have the atrocious gap on both sides.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The fuck is so funny, Robert?
There you go.
Oh my god.
Definitely need a clip for that side. Does it turn on in this mode? No.
Oh, what? Yeah. Alright, and that's gonna be it for today's video, ladies and gentlemen. If you guys liked the video, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know also in the comments down below what you guys think about Mo's new bumper, the M3 bumper, as well as the new fog lights. I don't remember if we filmed having the yellow fog lights before we broke them, but yeah, if we did, then you guys saw them in this video. And if I had some clips, I hope to throw them in, that way you guys can see. Either way, like and comment and subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go ahead and shoot for 5,000 subscribers for end of 2025, and I'll catch you guys in the next Ghost Flash video.